This lick is from the song called Dust in the Wind by Kanta. So to play this picking pattern, so we have the right hand, which is like going fixed picking pattern, and we have some few chords which we change on the left hand. So first we'll see what is the picking pattern on the right hand. So we just hold the C major on the left hand, and we pluck on the right hand. It is that first is 5 and 2 together. Then we go 4, 3. So then we go 5, 2, again then 4, 3. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and so it is 5 and 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3. So you got to get that picking pattern first on the right hand. Then you can just shift chords on the left hand. So we have first chord is C major. Then we lift the ring finger, it is C major 7. Add the pinky finger to the second string third fret. That will be C add 9. Then back to C major. So with the picking pattern. That's first 4 chords. So second 4 chords is like A sus 2, if you know A major chord or like A minor chord. So you can just dip the index finger with holding A minor chord and pluck the same pattern. So A sus 2 first, then A minor, adding the index finger to the second string first fret, then A sus 4. So we add the little finger to the second string third fret. Then back to A sus 2. So A sus 2. After C we have that A sus 2, A minor, A sus 2, then A sus 2. Then we go C added 9. So we are holding C chord and we added that little finger on the third fret, second string. So we have first as now C added 9. So we go C add 9. C, then C major 7, which we lift the index finger, then back to C added. So now we'll see all the 12 chords from this first chord. Last 4 chords we have A minor, then A sus 2, then we go A sus 4, then we back to A minor, but we just hold, then we pluck A minor, that 5 and 2 again, then we go G slash B, that is 5th string second fret, second string third fret. So the last 4 parts will be so like now holds progression slowly.